What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Marco here with Life in the Slow Lane. And today, as you've seen in the title, we are going to build a Lowrider bike. We got this 70 to 80 model female bike frame. As you see, we don't have no wheels. Everything is rusted out. But that's going to change. We're going to also have some cool, amazing parts. So you don't want to miss out on it, guys. As you see, the seat is all rusted out. Don't even have no cushion, nothing. But thanks to my boy Eddie, he came through and built this amazing croc seat. Look at that, check it out. Brown, and it's that real stuff. It looks just like some boots. I don't know if you ever seen them guys wear boots. They look just like them. We also have some twisted mufflers. Check that out. Boom, boom. We also have our twisted crank. Some twisted pedals. Check that out. Boy, I have some brown leather bike grips. This right here that's wrapped is our bent fork. Let me show you. Damn, look, check it out, guys. This right here is our custom adjustable spring bike fork for the front. We also got some new chrome fenders. We also have a twisted kickstand. I think that's all the parts out of this box, so let's kick it out the way. Last but not least, 72 spoke wheels with the white walls. This is the front. And we also got the back. So now that I showed you all the parts we got, let's get to it. So guys, we here at Slow Lane Customs. As y'all see, we finally got the Lowrider bike built just in time for the OTI show tomorrow. Right now, I'm going to get two of my trucks ready, the 2001 Project Blue Sierra, and I'm also going to get the black 2017 Sierra washed up and ready for the show also. I was hoping to have this one at the show, but man, with time, work, and priorities, I couldn't get my hands on it, but she'll be missed. But I'll give you a little update on the truck. I got the interior made already. We have a sunroof installed already, and also only thing holding me back is just installing the headliner, but I haven't had time to mess with that. Also got to wire up the sound system again, get all that stuff done. So there's a little hold up on the red truck for now, but y'all stay tuned. Y'all don't want to miss out on this build. We got a lot of more stuff coming for it. So right now, let's focus on going to OTIs.
out, T.I. Congratulations, man. Y'all the first one, man. Thanks for coming in, man. Make yourself at home and have fun, dude.
Appreciate that. So.
Yes, sir. What's up? Y'all 43 out. Hey, bro, you see the sign? Bro.
Es que he doesn't know how to read yet. He's not at
English
that level yet.
bro.
Anywhere atrás of the headliner.
Dang, just kidding, dude. Calm down, bro.
So we just made it back from the show, guys. We out here at the shop. We just got this new project dropped in. It's a 84 Camaro. It needs a lot of work. I'm not ready to start on it, but that's what we do here. So I'll explain to y'all in the future video. Nice little day at the show. Out there hanging out with new friends. Being at the booth with the truck club. It was a pretty nice day. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.